Welcome back to the channel, Tech Enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the HP 15.6-inch laptop, a powerful, lightweight companion for college students and professionals alike. This machine doesn't just boast impressive specs but also offers a lifetime of convenience with Microsoft Office included. Stick around to see if this laptop should be your next big investment for school or work. Right out of the box, the HP 15.6-inch laptop comes with sleek, modern aesthetics. Its slim design makes it ultra-portable, perfect for anyone who's always on the move. But don't let its thin profile fool you. This laptop is packed with powerful specs. Let's jump into the details. First things first. Design. At just 15.6 inches and weighing under 4 pounds, this laptop strikes a balance between screen size and portability. The build is sturdy, and the finish gives it a premium feel, ideal for students who need something durable yet lightweight to carry between classes, the library, and coffee shops. The FHD display is crisp and vibrant, perfect for presentations, watching videos, or even light gaming. You also get a 10-key number pad, which is an absolute must for those working with spreadsheets or crunching numbers. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, this laptop is powered by an Intel 6-core i3 processor, which offers solid performance for everyday tasks like browsing, word processing, and light media editing. Pair that with 16 gigabytes of RAM, and you can easily multitask without any noticeable lag. You can have your browser open with multiple tabs, run Microsoft Office, and stream videos simultaneously, all without breaking a sweat. For storage, you've got a whopping 1 terabyte SSD. This means you won't run out of space anytime soon, perfect for storing large documents, software, and media files. Plus, SSDs offer faster boot times and data retrieval compared to traditional hard drives, ensuring a smooth and quick experience every time you power it on. What sets this laptop apart from the competition is the lifetime Microsoft Office subscription. That's right, you'll never have to worry about renewing your Office suite or dealing with pesky subscription fees. Whether it's Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, you have all the tools you need for productivity. This is a game changer for students who need these applications for writing papers, preparing presentations, or managing their finances. Think about it, this feature alone saves you hundreds of dollars in the long run. It's a great value add, especially for college students on a budget. Battery life is another major selling point. With moderate usage, the HP 15.6-inch laptop can last up to 10 hours on a single charge, which is more than enough to get you through a full day of classes or a workday without having to scramble for an outlet. And let's not forget connectivity. This laptop comes equipped with HDMI, USB 3.1 ports, and an SD card reader. The built-in webcam ensures clear video calls for virtual classes or meetings. Plus, Windows 11 is the icing on the cake, offering a modern and intuitive user interface that makes navigating through tasks a breeze. So, who is this laptop for? If you're a student who needs a dependable laptop for writing papers, conducting research, or giving presentations, this HP 15.6-inch laptop is a fantastic choice. It's also great for professionals who need a lightweight and powerful machine for everyday office tasks. It's not designed for heavy gaming or intensive video editing, but for everyday productivity, it ticks all the right boxes. In conclusion, the HP 15.6-inch laptop offers excellent value for its price with a sleek design, solid performance, and the added bonus of lifetime Microsoft Office. Whether you're a student looking for a reliable laptop or a professional seeking productivity on the go, this machine has got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews like this. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video.